everybody, this is Tanya Atomic and Max. He had to join today. He wanted to sit on my lap. I'm unboxing BoxyCharm for March, and BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's about $25 a month, and you get items valued up to, I think it's up to $250. This one is Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes, and here's the stuff that's included in here. And it looks like it's about worth about $160-ish this time. The first thing we get is a Persona lip liner, which I don't know why it comes in this plastic thingy. Sealed for freshness, I guess, but I mean, I'd rather it not come in plastic. But here it is. It's a sort of a mauve, dark mauve brown kind of color. Something just spooked Max and he jumped off my lap and ran. So that's interesting. Okay, so the next thing is Revive Body Gel Aromatherapy. This is a moisturizer. And I can smell this. It smells pretty good. It reminds me of actually like massage clinic type places. It has sort of an herbal smell to it. And I got lip liner on it, but it's Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy Associates. Okay, so the next one is Elamane Miami. And it is a matte liquid lipstick. Oh, that's pretty. Comes in a pretty package. It's that color, like a pinky red kind of color. And then then we have Brightening Vitamin C Mask. And this is from Frank Body. Oh, it's coffee based, so it has caffeine in it. That's a pretty good size. These are all full size. And it comes out of this pump here. So BoxyCharm does all full size. And the last thing we have in here is from Course. It's Velvet Skin Drink. Replenishing Texture. Santorini Grape. I feel like it's a serum. Yeah, it looks like a serum. So it's a huge bottle. Serum comes in with a dropper top. Let me give it a smell. Okay, it smells like serum. So yeah, we got this huge serum. We've got the coffee face mask. We've got the moisturizing gel, Revive gel. The lip liner and the lipstick. So these are the only two makeup products, and we got a body product and some face stuff, some skincare. So that is everything in this month's box. I thought it was pretty good. I will use the skincare. I am interested in that stuff, so that's pretty cool. The makeup items I thought were okay. But what do you think? Do you get BoxyCharm? What did you get in yours? I feel like I've seen a couple other unboxings and they were very different than what I got. What do you get in yours? Let me know what you thought or what you think of yours in the comments below. Please consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching.